Hey there, what's up YouTube? It's Vanilla Lime Coke. It's been a while since I've done any video. I'm having trouble with my gaming uploads. I don't know why they won't upload, but I'm just stressed right now, just in general from the coronavirus, but hope everyone's staying safe, so try to find something to relax me. I think caramel or chamomile. It's a relaxing tea. This is actually, I'm not going to pronounce that, but there's no caffeine in this, and it's sugar-free too, so maybe it'll relax me. Yeah, just everything's shut down. It's just starting to get stressed. So I already opened it because just so I could have it ready. It's just, in my previous videos, I've always had struggling time opening them up, so let me smell again. It smells like kind of nice and fruity, not too fruity. So, bottoms up. It's kind of bland but smooth. Put it that way. It has a smooth taste. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a rose tea, it has lime and, like I said, I don't know how you pronounce that. Well, I guess this is it for this video. I hope to do more videos soon. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff you do, the stuff you do with the internet. And 5, stay safe. So, those are the 5 tips. Like, comment, subscribe, do those things you do with the internet, stay safe. And see you in future videos.